Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Today we are continuing the carbon fiber build series that we are doing with my C8 Corvette. Today we have a product that I'm very excited about from EOS Extreme Online Store, so stay tuned. All right, so those of you that watch my channel very often, you know we've already done a whole series of things. The first thing that we have done is we replaced the front splitter from carbon flash black to carbon fiber. Same way with the side skirts, and these are all EOS products. So we did the front splitter, the side skirts. We also did the rear wing. As you can see right here, all carbon fiber. Again, all these products are from EOS Extreme Online Store. We also did the little molding here in exposed carbon fiber. So we've also done a ton of interior. Again, all of this carbon fiber is from EOS, and it looks absolutely perfect. And if you'll see right here, it matches really well to the carbon fiber in the seat that is from GM. So look at the weave here. Look at the weave here. Absolutely just beautiful. Oh, and then we also did the rear vent for the hardtop convertible right there in exposed carbon fiber as well. So the next thing that we're going to do today is we are going to do the mirror caps. So I'm going to clean this up, going to wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol to make sure that it sticks well. Somebody gave me the idea, which I should have thought of this because I've done it in the past, but is to add adhesion promoter on there as well to really help it stick. Unfortunately, we aren't going to do that today, but I do think that is a great idea. But let's go ahead and check out what the product looks like before we get it installed. So you can see it out here in the sunlight. This is the mirror caps. And again, this is the bottom section as it's going to go underneath right there. But right now we are in carbon flash black. We will be swapping over right here to the carbon fiber. Now, once again, these are overlays. So you're going to peel all of the double-sided tape off before we install it. But we're going to get it cleaned up first. But I just wanted to show you, so you guys know that this is my kryptonite. I absolutely hate peeling the back ends of this off, but I'm gonna go do that off camera because that'll probably take me half an hour. But let's get that done. So as you can see, we've pulled off all of the backing on the double-sided tape, and there is a little bit of a ridge right here, and I'm gonna use it to put it right on the edge right here to slide it on. To make sure it lines up neatly. And there you have it, all nice and installed. Not a whole lot of work involved in doing this. We're going to come back with a microfiber towel and really press it in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and install the top piece, and then we'll do that. Okay, so as you can see, we've pulled all of the backing on the double-sided tape off. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get this installed right now. And again, I'm going to start with the back to try to get it onto that lip nice and even. And then we'll see what it looks like. Well, that was easier said than done. So, got it on there. It's a lot easier to do it with that double-sided tape all stuck together. But obviously, it is not a tough install. All right, so let's take a look at this all finished up. All right, so before I put the other side on, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. This is the carbon fiber mirror. And this, the carbon flash black painted from GM. So I'll give you a little idea of what the two look like. But I think these turned out absolutely fantastic. What do you guys think? So yeah, the carbon fiber is really coming along. Quite a bit has been completed. And so that's going to do it for today's video. I'm going to go get the other side installed. I hope everybody has a great week. Again, thank you for watching. There will be a link to this product down in the description, so feel free to click that and reach out to EOS and get yours. Everybody have a great week. Thank you for watching.